I'm looking for less maintenance in my life and absolutely loving these precious daisies. They're about 1 inch by 1 inch. They have some color variegation within the silk petals, and all of the leaves are a plastic. I drape them over the side, bending them, and then fill in the top. This is a 14 by 14 planter. It's got a relation to my arm. So you can see this is a huge planter, but it's filling it in so beautifully. It comes with 24, and the color variegation is beautiful. You get 4 of each color, and then I just kind of mix and match them throughout. Let me show you how easy it is to make these look realistic. This is what they look like when they arrive. I'm gonna put them in these planters here, and I'm simply gonna take them and fluff them out and then shove them in. They have a plastic stem. I literally just shove them in the dirt. Then I go around the entire perimeter and I bend them down. So you can see how I bend them to fill in and overflow. And I do the entire perimeter like that, so they're all bending down and giving that realistic flow over. Then I come in and do the vertical after that. So the combination of going up and over really fills in the space well. And you get this, a very full planter with this beautiful color. They could fill a ton of window boxes. These 2 huge 14-inch planters, they add that color to my porch that I wanted without any of the maintenance. And absolutely no watering, trimming, sunlight, having to remember that they're there when I go on vacation. They stay brilliant all year. I've had so many multiple artificial flowers and I couldn't be happier with them. So overall, I would say for me, I love the different shades of the white, pink, yellow, red, purple, fuchsia. They enhance this pot completely. I love that they are the silk and the plastic, so I don't have to worry about them, but they do look realistic from afar and they stay fresh. I don't have to think about them again. It takes me 5 minutes and I'm set and ready to go. So if this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.